Hello guys, I know you people already have an idea on what this video is about. So yeah, it is about Netbeans. So in this video, I'm specifically going to show you on how to open Netbeans 8.2 on Windows, okay? So I will be sharing three ways for it. So for that, you must have Netbeans installed in your system. So I will be providing the link to download Netbeans 8.2 in description or comment below. Okay, so you can check description or comment. Okay, so here you can see we have this icon, Netbeans icon. So the first way to open Netbeans is by clicking on this icon in this task menu. Okay, taskbar. Here we can see it is open. So yeah, this is the first method to open our Netbeans IDE. And then okay, and then another method is through start menu. Go to start menu and simply type Netbeans. Here you can see our Netbeans is open. So you can simply click on this link and open our Netbeans. Okay. Then the third method. Okay, let's say we don't have Netbeans in our task menu. So unpin from taskbar, and also we don't have uh, Netbeans in our start menu. So let's say Netbeans. Okay, so unpin from start. Okay, so now you can see we don't have that Netbeans icon here, and also in start menu we won't have Netbeans, right? Because we have unpinned it from our system. So now it is problem how to open that Netbeans, how to start our Netbeans, or how to open our Netbeans ID. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to this folder in your C drive. In your C drive you can see this program file. Okay, go to this folder, then search for Netbeans. Here we have this Netbeans 8.2, so simply click there. Then in this you can see this bin folder. Inside bin folder you can simply click on this application, okay, Netbeans application, to start our or to open our Netbeans. So simply click this. Now you can see our Netbeans is starting. So that's how we can open our Netbeans. First is through our task bar, second is through start menu, and third is through folder, this one. Okay, so here you can see it is open. So let's close this, exit. So that's how you can open your Netbeans ID. So let's put it into our start menu. Okay, into start menu, and again also in start taskbar. Okay, so that's how you can open Netbeans 8.2 in your Windows. Okay, that's it for the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.